Getting stuck in a warmer place this week doesn't sound so bad, right? Well, getting home could cost one high school thousands of dollars. Susan Elizabeth Littlefield explains.
These Bloomington teens pack quite the punch. WCCO has been following Kennedy High School's standout show choir for years. Turns out this was their year. They chose Cruella de Vil. Turns out the world liked what they saw.
We have had a pretty incredible season this year.
They got invited to nationals during Oscar weekend in sunny California.
We were able to take home our 5th straight Grand Championship trophy against some really great California schools out here.
Grand Champion goes to Rhythm.
When you heard first place, what was that like?
Instant tears, instant sobbing. And also too, we're all seniors, so it's all of our last competition, and we were all just like so excited for our group.
But what seemed like a Hollywood ending was not. Because of this.
So we got an email that said, your flight for Sunday night at midnight has been canceled. So my goal was to get 88 people on a plane, bus, train, automobile, some sort of way home as quickly as possible.
You can't just hop on the app and rebook.
No booking, no rebooking on an app.
There's a lot of like, oh no, we're stuck in California.
What a shame.
We're never gonna leave Hollywood. It's such a shame.
They made the most of their time, trading dismal weather for Disneyland. The next adventure, after some extra airport time, they'll fly to Salt Lake, then Denver, then bus home. What a story to tell.
Once we get back and I'm able to take a nap and process this, I think we're gonna feel, we're gonna be able to have a couple laughs.
After a finale they never saw coming. The photojournalist Chris Cruz, Susan Elizabeth Littlefield, WCCO News.
The Bloomington Kennedy Choir is asking for some help. They think it'll cost about $30,000 to get everyone home. You can go to the kennedychoirs.org if you'd like to help.